Hello guys, and this is a sound test for the Olympus LS P4, a voice recorder that we have been using for a couple of years now and decided to test it in 2021 and see if it is any good. Something specific about this voice recorder is that it has three mics that are supposed to record high quality sound in PCM or other formats as well. So yeah, this is a quick sound test just to show you without any edit how this recorder sounds. This is a basic test. You can check on our YouTube channel for more information about this recorder, and of course visit www.testproductreview.com and find out more about this Olympus voice recorder. And thank you for listening to this sound test.